Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring health and wellness journey of one of Hollywood's most iconic actors, Denzel Washington. Known for his powerful performances and ageless charisma, Denzel has made some incredible changes to his diet, fitness, and lifestyle over the years. If you've ever wondered how he stays fit, focused, and camera-ready even as he approaches 70, stick around because we're breaking it all down. But before starting the video, let's take a quick look at his life. Denzel Washington is an acclaimed American actor, director, and producer known for his commanding presence and versatility. Born in Mount Vernon, New York, he faced significant challenges in his youth, including his parents' divorce and falling in with the wrong crowd. Many of his close friends ended up in prison. Guided by his mother, who sent him to a military academy to set him straight, Denzel overcame these early struggles and found his passion for acting while at Fordham University. He rose to fame with powerful performances on stage and screen, earning 2 Academy Awards, Best Supporting Actor for Glory, 1989, and Best Actor for Training Day, 2001. With Training Day widely regarded as his most iconic film, Washington has also received 3 Golden Globes, a Tony Award, the AFI Life Achievement Award, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Beyond acting, he is a dedicated philanthropist, supporting education, the Boys and Girls Clubs of America, and numerous humanitarian causes. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start with Denzel's approach to food and nutrition. Denzel Washington has always been open about the importance of eating well, especially as he's gotten older. In recent years, he's made some major shifts in his diet. After decades of enjoying rich foods and drinks, Denzel decided to cut out alcohol completely around the age of 60. He said that this was a turning point for his health, helping him feel more energized and focused. These days, Denzel's meals are all about balance and moderation. He works with a personal trainer who also helps prepare his meals, making sure he gets the right nutrients without overindulging. While he's experimented with vegan and vegetarian diets, Denzel prefers a mostly plant-based approach, loading up on vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins like chicken and fish. He's also big on portion control. Instead of piling his plate high, Denzel opts for smaller servings, which helps him maintain a healthy weight. In fact, he's dropped from over 230 pounds at his heaviest to the 180s. A transformation he credits to both diet and exercise. Workout routine. Denzel Washington is no stranger to hard work, both on and off the screen. To stay in shape, he follows a consistent workout routine designed by his trainer. His workouts are a mix of strength training and cardio, with a special emphasis on boxing. That's right, boxing isn't just for the movies. Denzel uses boxing workouts to build endurance, burn calories, and keep his reflexes sharp. These sessions can burn up to 1,000 calories and are great for both the body and mind. In addition to boxing, Denzel incorporates weightlifting, resistance exercises, and bodyweight movements to build lean muscle and maintain flexibility. He also makes time for cardio, whether it's running, cycling, or even just brisk walking. What's really inspiring is Denzel's mindset. He doesn't work out just to look good. He trains to feel strong, agile, and capable, especially as he gets older. His focus is on longevity and overall well-being, not just aesthetics. Denzel's healthy habits go beyond diet and exercise. His lifestyle is all about discipline, balance, and self-reflection. One of the biggest changes he made was giving up alcohol. Denzel has spoken about how sobriety has improved both his mental clarity and physical health. He's also surrounded himself with a supportive circle of friends and family, including his wife and close friends like Lenny Kravitz, who introduced him to his current trainer. Denzel believes in the power of routine. He wakes up early, sticks to his workouts, and makes time for family and personal growth. He's a big advocate for self-discipline, often reassessing his goals and habits to stay on track. And let's not forget his work ethic. Even after decades in Hollywood, Denzel brings the same dedication to every role, every day. That commitment to excellence extends to his health and wellness, too. Now, what about that famous Denzel glow? Denzel Washington's youthful appearance is the result of both good genetics and smart skincare habits. While he keeps things simple, there are a few key practices he follows. Moisturizer with SPF. Denzel uses a daily moisturizer that includes sun protection, helping to prevent sun damage and keep his skin looking fresh. Cleansing and hydration. He makes sure to cleanse his skin regularly and stay hydrated, both of which are essential for healthy skin. Healthy lifestyle. His diet, exercise routine, and commitment to sobriety all contribute to his glowing complexion. Plenty of vegetables, regular physical activity, and staying away from alcohol help his skin stay clear and vibrant. Some experts also suggest that he might use products with ingredients like glycolic acid or retinol for anti-aging benefits. But the real secret is his consistent, holistic approach to health. So there you have it, Denzel Washington's blueprint for staying fit, focused, and fabulous at any age. From a balanced diet and intense workouts to a disciplined lifestyle and simple skincare, Denzel proves that it's never too late to make positive changes. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more celebrity wellness insights. And let us know in the comments, who should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and remember, health is a lifelong journey. See you in the next video.